bed still hasn't been worked on yet, but it's Russian sage and some Rebecca. And they've come back, but they need some attention. These are our tomatoes. This is the elevated raised bed that I got in March, and I had a video of us putting it together. Tomatoes are looking beautiful. We got some calendula. I replanted. Those were self-seeded from last year. Not in this bed, but in that bed. So it's amazing how much dirt or soil diminishes, because this was mostly full and now it's compacted. I've come in and trimmed off the lower leaves, but it looks like I gotta do that again. This just becomes an avenue for, like a on-ramp for bugs. So far, so good. Don't see any signs of bad stuff going on here. Let's go around the other side and see. Didn't see any signs of tomatoes yet. There were lots of flowers on them, and then we got that rainstorm. Oh, there's still some flowers. Yeah, lots of flowers. Lots of tomatoes coming. Every plant has some flowers on it. That's exciting. I see my marigolds in there. There's a California Wonder pepper. And I have another one. I think this one is red. Little teeny tomato on it. Probably should pluck it off. I don't know, what's your idea on that? Do you like plucking off blooms? Saw somebody taking all the blooms off the new strawberry plants, and I went, whoa. But apparently that's makes for a stronger strawberry plant, for it to develop more roots, so the energy isn't just going to the blossoms. All right, well, let's and there's another one over there, and soon, well, in a couple months, it will cover this trellis here and look really pretty. And this is my elderberry area. This is a white one. It looks like its blooms are done, and it's starting to form its berries. And there's the black lace, and it's forming berries as well. You can see here it's just coming out of the blooming stage into the berries. Oh, here's one in bloom. Just think the blooms are so lovely. And this is my monster one. I have to get in there and tame it. its blooms are very pretty, so I might save those for an arrangement. But it's interfering with this hibiscus, so I have to get in here and trim it back. So focus. So I've got 3 hibiscus bushes, but this one is crowded out by this big elderberry. These will be beautiful when they bloom. Neighbor has some too. So this is a really pretty area in a couple weeks. Well, the bird garden hasn't been attended to. The grass is still looking pretty, but there's not much to see in there. Yeah, all about time and energy, and of course the weather. And there's our tulip trees, not ours, my neighbors. So that's it.